Double-click the icon to start the Aspire software. Create a new file. Set the job size. Usually set the width to 18 cm, height to 10 cm, thickness to 1 mm. Other general parameter settings are shown above. At this time, we can use the drawing tool to draw graphics. Such as drawing a circle, we can set the position and diameter. We can also draw a square and set the length, width and position. We can also draw a polyline. Select the starting point and set the next point. There are other drawing functions, just select what we need. This is a structural design of the stent we finally drew. Click the engrave function and set the tool. The specific parameters are shown on the screen. Ctrl selects all the drawn graphics. Click Calculate to calculate the path. Click the Save Toolpath button to save the program in G-code format. The generated file can be opened with a notebook. Enter the program into the NC viewer to further view the printing path.